AMAZFIT. Amazfit. Oh, it's Amazfit Pace. What's up guys, my name is Denis and welcome to my channel. Here on this channel I'm doing tech reviews and vlogs. As you may have seen in my first video, I've been wearing this watch. This is Amazfit Pace and it's even more than just a smartwatch. I've been using Amazfit Pace for the last 6 months or something like that, and all I can say, I'm really amazed how good this watch actually is. Just like every smartwatch, this one also can handle all kinds of notifications, as long as you're connected to your phone. There is even more, so let's find out what's that. But first, what's in the box? First, when we open the box, we can see Amazfit Pace itself. On the right side, we have USB cable and quick start guide. And on the left side, we see charging station for our watch. And that's it! Amazfit Pace is made out of ceramic and Corning Gorilla Glass. Straps are easy to remove by its quick release pins and can be exchanged for any 22mm strap. It has its own modified Android version that we can connect to any Android or iOS devices. Besides the notifications, you can always check the weather, daily steps overview, monitor your heart rate at the moment or even 24/7, control your music on watch itself, yes, leave your phone at home and run like Forrest Gump. As it have 4GB of storage. Set the alarm to wake you up with vibration. If you get lost, check your compass, use the stopwatch, see how well you are sleeping, set your trainings, and use watch for interval trainings. But if we slide to the left side, we can find different sports that this watch supports. Running, walking, indoor running, cycling the bike, indoor cycling, climbing, trail running, and as last exercise, elliptical. On the end, you have activities, where you can see what exercise you have done on what day, for how long, and so on. For example, here is my 10 kilometers run, where I can see its time, how many calories I used, my average pace, best pace, moving speed, and so on and so on. And to keep your exercises safe, you have option to export all of them to application called Strava directly from Amazfit Watch app, so you won't have to worry if you ever factory reset your watch or phone. Usually Android Wear watches have battery life of a day or maybe 2, but not this baby. This little baby here can handle up to 7 days without charging. Well, that's in case if you are using it only as regular watch. But with GPS on with about 1 hour per day, it lasts around 3 to 4 days. That's just perfect. And here we are at the end with its price tag. At the time of recording this video, exact same watch with red straps, it costs $115 US. And with black straps, it costs $149 US. Question for you, do you own Amazfit Pace or any other smartwatch? Write your answer in the comments below and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and press on the bell button so you can get notified when I upload new videos. That's it for today guys, see you next time, peace!